Shandong Qiangyuan Laser of Shandong Institute of Industrial Technology Limited is an enterprise focusing on the R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service of laser cleaning, laser welding machines, and solutions. Founded by Laser Institute of Shandong Academy of Sciences, SDQY Laser has professional design team with multi-scientific research background. We have more than 10 professors, doctors, and experts working for us full-time. SDQY Laser is an original manufacturer, not assembly only. We can design the laser, control system, and handheld head by ourselves. SDQY Laser is one of China's full-range laser cleaning machine and solution suppliers. Here, you can get a lot of selections. We have continuous wave laser cleaning machines at 1,000 watts, 1,500 watts, and 2,000 watts. For pulsed fiber laser cleaning machine, we have Gaussian and flat-top laser ranging from 100 watts to 800 watts. We also have laser welding machines at 1,000 watts, 1,500 watts, and 2,000 watts. Besides machines, SDQY Laser is able to provide automatic solutions. Depending on the requirement of different work, we can design and produce the industrial-level laser cleaning or welding systems. SDQY Laser, the professional laser cleaning solution provider in China. Looking forward to working with partners all over the world to help people's work safer, easier, and better.